Worl Boss Rich. What that? Worl Boss.
In Jamaica, I grew up in a community called Portmore.
I know Portmore.
Okay, good. Just outside of Kingston. So I grew up with both parents, 4 siblings, 1 younger brother. I mean, growing up, we were poor, but you know, we didn't know we were poor.
Yeah, big up to the same viewers and subscribers. You say well forward back to the channel. You see, my name is Dan Pearl. And guess what? This is Patty Dan TV. Guys, this channel is all about travel vlog, music news, entertainment, update, live streaming people, and God podcast. Well, you know a Godcast, because we say over here we don't even pod. We left that for woman then. You see, I say people, so today, in today's video, guys, big up to yourself. We have Vybz Kartel touching our Bahamas people. And you know, say today a Vybz Kartel show. Today a Vybz Kartel show in a Bahamas people, and we see Vybz Kartel over there in a Bahamas and make him runs people. We have a few video. You see me, I say few interview video. You see me on the Bahamas TV. You see me, I say Bahamas TV interview. That time Bahamas TV interview. You see me, I say people. So right now, I'm gonna put the video them phone. You can stream and see what I go on. You see me, I say stream and see what I go on, and watch it and big up and say. But people, as you can say, Vybz Kartel and make him wait. You see me, I make him rounds. We see him and his son stay so. In 2 son them. You see me, I say stay so back and scatter them thing they touch on the Bahamas side. You see people get touch on the Bahamas side, and as we can see right now, we know them are going to mash up the performance people. You see me, I say we love how Vybz Kartel and moving the people. We love how the man does and make him rounds.
Everybody up here, and they get the glass. Everybody up here. We know we have coffee now.
Glass we prefer.
You see me, I just go out there and just know say yo right now it work have to put in. Cause I know on the hearing saying I video now guys. I know on the hearing say yo right now in there in a US and in there in a US pan working mode. You see me? And a sightseeing. You see me, I enjoy themselves still, but man I make you know say yo fully team. Cause if you don't know Vybz Kartel, you don't know say film work ethic is crazy. If you go on him and lazy, you can't their own Vybz Kartel. I tell you now, they can't their own Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel don't really love people each half I'm still in dead if people them when can give strength and all them things, but for them give strength, they expect you to do something with that strength. You know, expect you to just take its strength and just sit down there. So, right, that's why I just go on easy back and stay so back, guys. You see me I say? Yeah, I want to run with the strength. And we love how him bring him youth them vibes. We love how him bring him 2 youth them. You see me I say look like there little vibes all over the world with him and make them know say yo youth on a Sea World. You see me I say Sea World go and go angry badness. The hotels are so hotels so look. You see me your father make you could travel long, so right now your father fix back things make you can travel again. Cause remember they could travel, they could get them US visa, you know, they used to go I think England and Europe and them thing there. But since Vybz Kartel forward out people, son them free up back again. And that is a blessing. I say big up to Gaza. I remember we are fully Gaza over here, so, you know, and this is Spatic Nation, guys. You see me, I say, we see new music video. You see me, I love how Vybz Kartel do music video them to, you know, people. But love how man do music video them. He man now put no bag of man in a video. You see me, girls, them man give some strength, cause man find out say yo, from what they come like him, man, they want to take away female them strength. So right now this side say yo, right now, give you man them some strength, you know, You see me, I say, cause from what they, the woman there now, I be a man and them sitting there, guys. But big up Vybz Kartel. You see me, I say, big up Vybz Kartel, and we love how a thing look. You see me, I say, a music environment does feel different. You see me? Yeah, and I love how I say on the interview, as we tell me, I'm going to put the interview right there. So, you see me, a man saying that every country where I go, guys, every country where I enter, I'm going to have a different playlist. You see me, I say where I open up a show with. You see me? So, you know, so show me I go open up this man from 90s, but don't say that time I open up in New York. You see me, I say, guys, yeah, so I'm making sure, say, right, if you forward in your country and you listen to Vybz Kartel and your country not too brawling, we have some tune we can tone down for your country. You see me, I say we have some tune we can tone down for your country, guys. You see me? Yeah, man, I can do that straight up. You see, please, so big up Vybz Kartel and big up to you Gaza people and big up everybody else, all the people, as we said, guys, big up to yourself in a Saturday. You see me, I say, open up a wonderful weekend, guys, and right now in a Trinidad people, that is long weekend for them over here. So guess what? Them have Monday holiday and Tuesday holiday, so they now go back and work till Wednesday, so now go back till Thursday, maybe next week too. So they do it over here, people. But big up to yourself, guys. Check out the video, guys, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. You see me, I say, one Gaza TV, one Kartel TV. Big up for the sales, Spatic.tv. And guys, stay tuned, because as I said, you soon start to get back the travel vlog contents. You know what I mean? Yeah, you soon start to get back them channel, them content there outside. Hopefully a long weekend I will take on the street and make the show have one. So big up for the sales, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. And if you like this type of content, guys, stay tuned, man. More time we over here just a while out. All the vibes. You see me, I say, yeah, big up for the sales. I'm out.
Okay, so we're going to test your creative ability. I want you to give me one line to one of your new songs that I could not ever know. I'm going to see if I can duplicate it. And then I'll give you a line of one of my songs that I know. And let me see if you can do it.
Okay, so you just want a line, like sing it or say it? Okay, I'll sing it.
Yeah.
Where them there when we are do it, probably asleep. Blessed are the meek, yeah. That's 3 lines.
What them do it? What them do?
Where them there, meaning where were they? Where them there when we are do it?
Where them there? Me am do it.
No! You got the first part right.
Where them there?
When we are do it.
When we do it.
That's it.
What's
Because the melody is key.
Okay.
That's the melody is key.
What's the last?
Probably asleep.
Probably asleep.
Yeah, that's it. So I'm like, where were they when we were doing it? Probably asleep. Yes. Yeah, it's crazy.
So, okay,
so you got to give me a line now from your song.
Let me give you something Bahamas. Okay.
Yes.
Here we go. From the Bahamas to the nations we praise.
From the Bahamas to the nation we praise.
Oh, we got a collaboration with you and Chicago.
Yes, sir.
I love that.
Look out, it's coming. It's coming.
What can people expect come Saturday here in the Bahamas?
Well, like I said, when I leave here, I'm going into the gym, getting warmed up, study the track list. Okay, good. Health is wealth.
Health is wealth.
So we're going to plan the track list, because what I'm doing now, different than before, every country I go to, I set the songs a little differently. So I'm in Jamaica, I run out. Me not have time for no jail time, that I waste time. In Tortola the other day, I'm like, thank you, Jamie, we wake up this morning. So we're going to fine-tune a performance that's only for the Bahamas.
Oh, I loving that.
Yes, sir.
You're going to be in for something. Bahamians know how to have a good time.
Yes, I know.
So welcome to the Bahamas, and we look forward to Saturday night. Listen, it's been a pleasure.
It's been an amazing...
Listen, I think what you have going forward is going to be amazing to change generations.
I hope so.
And so you have our full support that as you take that positive message around
Yes,
of what
sir.
you've gone through, that people's lives will indeed be changed.
Yes,
and
sir.
young people will find their way.
Yes, sir. I
Thank you
need
for
y'all to listen.
That's right.
God is the greatest.
Listen, Vybz Kartel himself. Thank you for being on the rundown. Welcome to the Bahamas. Welcome, sir.
Hey, it's a pleasure to be here.
And welcome to the Bahamas. Good to have you here on the ZNS Network.
Yes, sir.
So I've got to admit, I became very curious
Yes, sir.
in who is Vybz Kartel and Adidja Palmer. And of course, most people didn't think the day would ever come for you because of what was originally said to you, that you'd spend the rest of your life in jail. But you kind of kept that positive mindset about what was happening to you, even while being incarcerated. Tell us a little bit about your upbringing, first of all, so we understand this man, the person who became Vybz Kartel. Talk about your upbringing.
I mean, I grew up in Jamaica. I grew up in a community called Portmore.
I know Portmore.
Okay, good. Just outside of Kingston. So I grew up with both parents, 4 siblings, 1 younger brother. I mean, growing up, we were poor, but you know, we didn't know we were poor because that was just the life we knew. But love was in my family, togetherness, you know what I mean? Went to Waterford Primary School, graduated, went to Calabar High School, went to TC, which is a private school, tutorial college, yeah, and then I branched off into music.
How did your upbringing shape who you became? And how did it affect you in music?
My upbringing shaped who I became immensely. The first thing is the work ethic of Vybz Kartel. I learned that from my dad because he has always been a hardworking man. He worked Sunday to Sunday. Like, even when I became famous, even when I could afford for him not to work, he still worked. He's that type of man. So I think I got the work ethic from my dad and certain discipline as it relates to music. Yeah, and my mom, she has always been spiritual. So I guess I got that side from her. She always told me, never give up, believe in yourself, do what you want to do, and do it big.
Those things kept you.
Yes, sir.